Now, in this lecture, we are going to discuss limitations of Python. In many surveys, the Python is the most widely used programming language. The Python is developed express the content without longer code. That is, with simple syntax and a readable code. The developer can be design their code with a simple syntax and readable code. So when we compare with the limitations, the first limitation, what are the drawbacks in this Python? First one, incompatibility of two version. First one, incompatibility. So here, incompatibility of two version, the Python 2 and Python 3 both are different. Python 2 and Python 3 both are different. If in case your project is your code is belongs to Python 2, the same code you are trying to execute on Python 3, there is no guarantee same result. That's the reason the Python is not similar as Python 3. That both are different because Python 3 is not having backward compatibility. Python 3 is not having Python 2 complete features. So what? It is incompatible of two versions. Suppose your project is 2 and Python 2, and definitely you should rewrite your code with a Python 3 version, right? So next one, speed and performance is completely different. When compared with other programming languages, the speed and performance, it's somewhat different. Python is interpreted language. Python is interpreted language. Means the code will be executed line by line. The code will be executed line by line. So means definitely if in case your program is having hundreds and thousands of lines, definitely it will be takes more time for executing on your program. So as compared with other programming languages, it can be very faster but slow runtime. So while executing your program, it will take more time, but application launching is very speed. So when compared with the Java, there is no compiler, but it runs very speedily. But compilation is not there. For launching is speed and runtime is slow because of interpreter. Next one, weakness in mobile application. So weak in mobile. So why it is a mobile application? Why it is a weak in mobile application? So very simple. Python is not having supported modules, supported libraries for mobile application. So definitely it depends third party application. So what? It is a weak in mobile application. If you want to design the mobile application with a Python, definitely you will be depends with the other programming languages. Directly the not having features, the mobile application features. And there is one more drawback in there, multi-line comments. As a developer, it is a very huge drawback. Why? Because definitely they can be write number of comments about the program. So if you want to write multiple comments, definitely you use line by line comment lines, multiple lines. There is no multi-line comment system is not available. In other programming languages, there is a multi-line programming language. Multi-line comment lines are available. But in this Python, definitely you should place this hash for every line. For you want to comment, definitely if you want to comment, definitely you should place this hash for every line. Then only it is possible to make multi-line comment. So next one, not suitable for enterprise application. So enterprise application. Why it is not suitable? So like a banking application and telecommunication application, not best choice for end-to-end large application. Python is not suitable for large applications, end-to-end applications. Why? Because the banking applications and telecommunication applications code is huge lines of code is there. So but Python is follows interpreter. So it is not suitable for end-to-end application. If you want to run very speedily, you can use PyPy is suitable is there. The PyPy version flavor is having JIT compatibility, but even also this banking applications and telecommunication applications, large web applications is not suitable for the Python is only end-to-end. Definitely you can depend with other programming languages because of only one reason, the Python is interpreted language. Means 10,000 lines of code will be executed line by line. It is a very long time to run our application, long time to compile our application. So what? It is not suitable for enterprise applications. Very simple. What are the limitations? There are 6 limitations we observed here. One is compatibility of 2 versions. Python 2 is different from Python 3. So if you develop your code in Python 2 and we are not get same result with Python 3, that is a incompatibility of 2 version. And speed and performance, it is interpreted, so speed and performance may be differ. And weakness in mobile application. Why the weakness in mobile application? There are no particular libraries for mobile application, and we cannot place multi-line comments. So definitely it is a Python is suitable. Python is allowing for only single line comment lines. So that is one more drawback. And next one, enterprise application. So banking application and telecommunication application, it is not suitable. Telecommunication application, it is not suitable. Suppose that banking and telecommunication applications are having huge lines of code, it may take more time for running that huge lines of code. Thank you. Please like and share. Have a nice day. Bye bye.